Now, I'll read out the 12th sum. After we are back on 13th, I think. Till 12th, it's a holidays, I think, na? So 13th will be back, no? So 13th, I'll tell 14, 15, 16. 3 are based on the sale of the company. So 12th one, PQR share profits in the ratio of 1/2, 1/6, 1/3. They decided to dissolve the partnership on 31st December 2005 when their balance sheet showed as under. He gave on the liabilities creditors PQR's capital and reserves he gave. Then on the asset side, he gave cash, sundry assets, goodwill. Then on the adjustments, he gave sundry assets realized 50,000, goodwill 4,000. You are required to show the final adjustments among the partners, assuming that R is a insolvent and he is unable to bring anything, firstly, where the capitals are fixed, and secondly, where the capitals are fluctuating quantities. So here, fluctuating, you do it. I'll do fixed, will try. The other day also I said I'll tell fixed, but I could not tell. So today we are going to do on the fixed. It's difficult because it is going to be lengthy. Fixed. Now, what is that we are doing? First one, realization account. Particulars, amount, amount. Now first we'll transfer all the assets. So here, two sundry assets. Actual value is 80,000. Next to goodwill, it's 10,000. That's it. Now here, how I have transferred, I should transfer liabilities also. So that's why by creditors, he gave 41,000. This sum is already, I gave Pigma. Then we have to write realized, no? So by cash, assets realized is 50,000. Whereas goodwill, by cash, goodwill realized is 4,000. Now that's it. Now here, whether he mentions or not, we have to pay the liabilities, no? So that's why to cash creditors 41,000. That's it. Now you tell me what is a balancing figure. I think you will get loss only. He even did not give us any kind of expenses. So just count it, how much it will be. 90,000, 1,31,000, I think. 1,31,000 minus 31,000 minus. I think it will be 41, 41 will be cancelled. 90 minus 40, 40, 36. Did anybody is doing or not? I don't know. By P capital, 36,000 is a loss. So his ratio is half ratio. So 36 half means how much? 18,000 now. Then by Q capital, his ratio, how much he said? 1/6. So 36 in the table of 6. 6 6 are 36. So that means it is a 6,000 here. Then by R capital, he will be having how much? His ratio is 1/3. So 1/3 ante 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. So 12,000 is the loss. So total loss is 36,000. So the total amount is 1,31,000. Here also it is 1,31,000. Now here we are going to go for doing again cash account. Simultaneously we are going to go for doing cash account. Then the capitals. So cash or bank account. First, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Now cash balance, as it is an asset balance, so its opening balance will be on the debit to balance brought down. So amount is how much he gave? 5,000. Then here, do I have anything? So on the debit side, I have one time cash. So I will be posting it on the credit side now. So first time debited, the second time it will be credit. From which account I'm taking? Realization. What is the amount? It's a credit start payment amount. So 41,000. And debit side, if I look, debit side, here I have two times buy cash. So that means here I have to write to realization excuse me, God. Assets amount we got how much? 50,000. Next to again realization, this time it is goodwill amount, it's a 4,000 amount. Now this is done. Now here I said we'll be doing it simultaneously, the accounts. Now here partners fixed capital account, that is particulars P Q. Q is what? Q. He is a sorry. He is not normal. Q R. R is a insolvent partner. Particulars P Q R. R is again insolvent partner. Now first I said I'm doing fixed. So here their fixed capitals, whatever the fixed capitals is given in the balance sheet, as it is I'm writing. By balance brought down. So how much are their capitals? P's capital is 30,000. 30,000. Q is 15,000 and R is 3,000. Now I have to close it. Usually every time what we are going to do it, we are going to write here as it is a fixed property, we'll write two buy balance brought down and two balance carry down, something like that. But here we are closing. So when we are closing, we are going to make it with the cash only, no? So that's why two cash balancing figure. So how much? 30,000, 15,000, 3,000. That's it. We are going to close it. Accounts got tallied. Now come down here. Now these are partners' current accounts. Particulars P, Q, R. R is the insolvent partner. Then particulars P, Q, R. R is the insolvent partner. Now here we don't have any current year balances or anything like that. Now we are going to transfer other things here. Other things means first from the realization we got what? We got a loss. So that loss here I'm going to write in this one. In the capitals, fixed capitals will not show anything, only we are going to write. So here that loss account I'm transferring here. That is to realization loss. First person is 18,000. Second person is 6,000. Third is 12,000. Now, likewise, in the balance sheet, we have got a reserve fund, old profit. So, old profit we have to transfer, no? So, old profit also we are going to share in the profit sharing ratio. So, by reserve, what is the ratios here we have got? 1/2 is to 1/6 is to 1/3 is the ratio. So when we are going to divide, the reserve is 6,000 ma. So 6,000 ante how much it will be? Half ante 3,000. For him it will be 3,000, and for Q it is 1/6 ante 1,000 kada, so 1,000, and for R it will be 2,000 because 6 3 2s are sorry 3 2s are 6. So like this we have got it. Now we have to adjust. Now before adjusting, first I always say we have to close whose account first. We are going to close the insolvent partners account. Now if I'm going to look into this part, ఇది కదా, ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్. So now we have to close this one. Now here, just have a look how I'm going to close it. Now just see how much is the loss here. 12,000 minus 2,000. 12,000 minus 2,000, how much will be balance, ma? 10,000, right? So 10,000 will be shared among whom now? It will be shared among the solvent partners, that is P and Q. So just tell me how much. Calculator.
It's coming like 6666.66.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Whatever it, you just tell me. You are going to
Six.
do it in what capital ratio? You are doing it in 2 is to
Yes,
1.
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
how much? By
Six.
10,000 is left over. So
Yes, ma'am.
10,000, 2 by 3 if I'm doing, I'm getting 666, no? By P capital, that is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So if I do, I am getting, how much he is contributing? 6,607. We'll convert it
66. Yes,
because
ma'am.
it round the figure we are going to make. Capital 10,000 minus that you do. You will get how much? 3,000 something, I think.
Three,
Minus
three,
10,000.
three.
Yeah, 4 threes you are going to get it. So that's it. Now this same posting, I have to do it on this side, no? So I have posted both the things on whose account? C capital. So that's why here I'm going to write as 2 C, sorry, not C, R capital. He is contributing 666.7 and he is contributing 4 threes. That's it. Now this is done. But apart from that, in this problem, we are going to have one more thing. That is, usually whenever there is a loss, the solvent partners has to get equal amount of cash. So regarding that, I have to write it now. So what I'm going to write here, buy cash, that is within a bracket, realization loss. So A has to get, how much is the loss? 18,000 amount of cash he has to get, and B has to get 6,000 amount of cash. C, however, he is not going to get anything. So that's it. Now tell me what is the balancing figure.
Ma'am, debit side is more.
Yeah, debit side is more. Okay, fine. Let it be.
Okay.
For both the things, it's debit side more now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. In the cash account, it gets tallied. So buy cash balancing figure. So for P, it's how much more difference? 18,000, 18,000. If we cancel also, it will be, I think,
3,667.
yeah, 3,667.
667.
And for this person, 6,000. If we need, I think 2,333.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Okay. So we have closed one. Now we are going to close the cash account. First we'll write the totals and we are going to close. So fixed or fluctuating. That's why usually you go for this one only fluctuating, ma. Fixed, it will be like this only. You're going to have where you're going to have a favorable and where you are going to have unfavorable. It will be little bit difficult. So usually they'll ask only fluctuating. So how much it will be? 18 plus this one, 24. 24, 667, right? And
Yes.
this one, 9,333. And this is as usual 12,000. And here it is again 24, 667, 9. 333, and the last one is 12,000. That's it. Now we are going to close the cash account. Now wherever the cash are there, we are going to take. First is from the fixed. So cash is on the debit side. So next posting it will be on the credit side. So from whose account I'm taking? Buy P fixed capital. Fixed capital. I'm writing F means fixed capital. 30 and buy Q fixed capital. His amount is 15,000 and buy R is also there. So R fixed capital, it is 3,000. This side we have done. Now next posting cash is on this side, debit credit side. So next two postings it will be on the debit side only. So here we are going to write first one to P current capital. First one I'm writing about realization loss amount. Realization loss. RL means realization loss. So 18,000 then to Q capital current capital. This is also again RL means realization loss. The amount is 6,000. Then to P current capital. How much we got? 3,667 and then to Q current capital 2,333. Now total it
89,000.
both the sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's got that. So understood. You'll have too many postings. That's it. In the fluctuating and fixed methods, you are going to have too many postings. The same problem you are going to do it in a fluctuating method. Okay, is this clear? So the same problem you people are going to do it in the fluctuating method. So fluctuating method means this will not come. This account will not come. This part will not come. Directly everything you're going to post into the current. Is it okay?
Yes, madam. Hello.
చెప్పరా
Okay, madam. Problem.
అది మీరు ఫ్లక్చుయేటింగ్ మెథడ్ లో చేయాలి.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Shall I end the class then? I took
Yes,
the
madam.
attendance.